Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cigar Creek, or 9 miles north of Franklin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Oil City, Cigar Creek, Tynesta, Hazen Heights, Rouseville, Cooperstown, Pleasantville, West Hickory, Oil Creek State Park, Star, and East Hickory. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook.